So welcome to the geography section. So today we are going to look at geography. Question 1 to 10 is map reading, so I don't have the physical map, so I'm going to ignore that for now. So let's look at number 11 to 60. So in 11 we have in metamorphism, sandstone changes into is this graphite, marble. Answer is D. Number 11 is D. Number 12, conventional rainfall differs from frontal rainfall because it is associated with ascending and descending wind, even distribution of rain, large area coverage, lightning and thunder. Yeah. 12 is D. 13. So we have which of the following statements best describe weather? So an atmospheric condition of a place. Yeah. When it involves 35 years, that is climate. So the answer is A for weather. Number 14 said the highest earthquake magnitude ever recorded on a Richter scale is answer is 9.5. This should happen in Japan, if I'm not mistaken. Number 615. So which of the following is associated with volcanicity? Disappearance of streams. No. Formation of crater lake, formation of creeks, formation of oxbow lake, resurgence of stream. The answer is B. B. Look at 16. The similarity between Eritrea and Keke is that there are features of coastal deposition, glacial deposition, glaciated highlands, glaciated lowland wave deposition. The answer is C. Number 17. Say the movement of large particles in a series of hoops along the stream bed is known as accretion, corrosion, then sortation. Yeah, answer is sortation, C. Number 18, the making of ridges across the slope to control erosion is known as what? Number 18 is known as a contour plowing, cover cropping, fallowing, mulching. Answer is A. Answer is A. See, the art of obtaining information about the Earth's surface without direct contact to it is called cartography, data capture, georeferencing, photogrammetry, remote sensing. Yeah, this remote sensing. 19 is A. 20. The geographical factor that does not attract high population is conducive climate, no. No. Flat terrain, no. High relief, no. Presence of minerals. Answer should be high relief, D. 20D. 21. So which of the following is a natural factor affecting land transportation in Nigeria? We have inadequate funds, inadequate spare parts, low patronage, poor maintenance culture, rugged terrain. Of course, 21 is E. So the tourist attraction center that is famous for yachting and swimming in Nigeria is Ibenu Beach, Ikogisi Warm Spring, then 20 we have Nick Lake, Wiki Swamp Spring, yeah. '23 said we were following the product of heavy industry, cell phone, furniture, matches, ships, yeah. Answer is E. Now look at 25. So the following is a threat to industrial development of a country. 24, the following is a threat to industrial development of a country. Employment opportunities, high importation of goods, improved balance of trade, increase in per capita infrastructure development. The answer is B. Okay, which of the following areas are well known for plantation agriculture in Nigeria? 25. We have Yobe and Sokoto and Bayelsa, Ondo and Sokoto, Oyo and Yobe, Ondo and Oyo. This is E. 26. The exchange of goods and services between countries. The exchange of goods and services between countries is what? Balance of payments, balance of trade, comparative advantage, external trade. D. So the third-party insurance documents that covers a holder driving in ECOWAS member country is the 27. Brown card, green card, red card is brown card. 28. See, the planet that is similar to Earth in terms of habitation is Mars. That is why Elon Musk and NASA is exploring Mars. 28 is B. Elon Musk and NASA. That's American Space Agency. 29. If the time in turn A longitude 50 degrees east is 4 p.m. and you subtract 540 minus 4, that will give us 140. Calculating longitude of B, and the distance is 1.1 multiplied by this. The answer will give us E, which is 40. Then 30 to 31, the figure below represents dash fault. We have asymmetric, we have over thrust, we have recoupment. I think I should go with D. I'm not sure. I'll look that up. 31. The area mark X in the figures below is A. Anticline, crater, lava. The answer is D. 32. This is the zone of the atmosphere where weather activities are confined. Is 32. We have exosphere, ionosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, and we have a troposphere. 32 is troposphere. Okay, 33. So the following are consequences of climate change except decline in agricultural output, of course, encouraging desertification, of course, Extreme weather condition, of course. Increase in the rate of sun, no. 33, no. It's D. 34, so the volcano that has not erupted in thousands of years is geologically judged as active, no. Destructive, no. Dormant, no. Extinct, yes. 35. One of the following landform is produced by glacial erosion. 35. By glacial erosion, we have Beacham, Drumlin, Laws, Sandsheath, and Shepdon. The answer is B. 36. Which of the following is not an effect of coastal erosion? Destruction of lives and property, yes. Function of cave and cliff, loss of revenue to the government, no. Reduction in size of the land's filling of wetland, no. The answer is B. 36 is also B. 37. So which of the following is associated with deposition of vegetable matter? Deposition of vegetable matter: composting, humidification, infiltration, lynching, nitrification. 37 is B, humidification. 38. The human activity that can combat desertification is afforestation. 38 is A. Afforestation is the planting of trees. That's what we call afforestation. 39. So which of the following is a software component of our geographic information system, which is GPS? GPS. 39. We have the Autodesk, we have camera, vista, plotter, printer. The answer is A, Autodesk. 40. The rail line from Itakbe to Ajakuta is mainly to transport 40, crude oil, iron ore. Yeah, that's primary use, is for iron ore. That's B. 41. See, the advantage of air transport over road is that ability to travel bulky goods, affordability, flexibility, high patronage, speed movement of goods, of course. It's more faster. And let's go to 42. So the common feature associated with African industry is availability of power supply. That is very unlikely. Availability of skilled worker, unlikely. Efficient transportation network, unlikely. Production of consumer goods, production of consumer goods. That's what African country produce mostly. 43. Which of the following towns has sparse population density in Nigeria? Aba, no. Aba is highly populated. Kano, no. Lagos, no. Owerri, no. Is B. 44. The savanna vegetation bed differs from the forest bed due to the presence of 44. Abundant grasses and short scatter trees, epiphyte and parasite plant trees, tall trees and little grasses, two distinct division of layers of tree. Veracity of wildlife is 44 is A. I go with A. 45. Vegetation bed in Nigeria characterized by tall aerial roots and raffia palm is 45. Guinea savanna, mangrove savanna, shea savanna, Sudan savanna, and tropical savanna. 45 is the answer is mangrove Savannah. 46. Which of the following arrangements of products of limestone is called wrapped rock, chalk, palm, paint, and cement? 46 is chalk should come first, followed by paint, and the drug salmon. Drug is obtained from limestone, and cement. That is E. 47. Say the human factor confronting road transportation in Nigeria is everybody know that the 7 is insecurity and banditry. I need to read further. An advantage of internal trade over bilateral is that it depends on imported raw material. No. Leads to trade barrier. No. Between countries. No. Promote local industry. Yes. Require foreign in. No. Require foreign in. No. It promotes local industries. Number 49. Which of the following is a major disadvantage of localization of industry? It causes erratic powers. No. It decline in skill specialization. No. It decline in urban growth. No. Shortage of raw material, uneven development. Of course, that some area will be developed while other lags behind. Go to 50. The difference between Nigerian and foreign industry is that between Nigerian and foreign industries is concentration of urban centers. No. Indigenous technical know-how, very common. Let's keep that aside first. Large scale production. No. Local resourcing of material. That is true. This is the most viable option. D. Lithosphere constitutes dash amount of Earth's surface. So it's 30%. 52. Say the distance between the sun and the earth is approximately 150 trillion. You see the residual mountains are best formed by 53. Residual mountain are best formed by compression force, denudation, fault, transitional force, volcanicity is denudation. 53 is B. 54. So which of the following is a disadvantage of mountains to humans? 54. Mountain to human. Climate modification, defense for settlement, influence road construction, source of spring, tourism attraction. The answer is should be C. Influence road construction. The advantage of complex system of climate classification over Greek is that it does not recognize subgroup, employ descriptive approach, ignore the influence of latitude and longitude. 55 is based on temperature, uses numerical values. Yes, they use numerical value for this. E. 56. Which of the following is characteristics of remotely sensed objects in remote sensing? In remote sensing, 56. Change over time, contrast and brightness, emit the same wavelength, location and orientation, size and texture. So the answer is size and texture. The smallest point in a graphic image that represents the brightness of a given color is coloration, no. Lens, no. Photograph, no. Pixel resolution, the answer is D. 57 is D. Look at 58. Population density of a country can be described as total population divided by the land area. Yes, no need to go further. Total population divided by the land area. D. The major factor that determines the setting of a settlement is economic activity, not true. Electricity, not true. Source of material, not true. Of course, without water, nothing will take place. Without farming, shores, anything, nothing will happen. Cooking, what have you. Number 60, say the factor that negatively affects economic development in Nigeria is A. Climate, no. Ethnicity, no. Mineral exploitation, no. Political instability, and that is it. Yes. So this is solution to geography objective. If you have not subscribed, do so, like and share. See you next in the theoretical part.